Hi everyone, it's the last day on the Carnival Magic and I just want to do a quick room tour so you guys can see what room number 1211 actually looks like. 1211 is my room. That's all the way down the hall. I'm actually all the way at the front of the ship. So 1211 is this room. It's actually a nice size room. I'm solo cruising. This go around. It was supposed to be an upper and lower room. That's what they call this. But actually, you got your bed over here by the window. You got your couch right here. So if you're cruising with a second person, they will turn this couch into the second bed. But by me being in a room by myself, I had the luxury I'd be able to lounge on the couch when I didn't want to sit on the bed all day long. So you got your basic, your little standard, where the mustard drill at, where you at on the boat type thing on the back of the door. We all seen them before. I brought my sailing sign card for my last cruise and just left it inside the light, a credit card, a card, anything like that will do. Sorry for the movement, but we kind of having choppy water. So long as you leave the card in, the lights will be controlled. If you want to keep them on, to keep them off. The bathroom, standard ship bathroom. Shower gel, shampoo, basic corner bathroom. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time showing you the bathroom. You've seen the one, you've seen all. I just want to do this room tour is because room 1211 Carnival Magic is not on YouTube. Because I tried to find it when I booked this room. Couldn't find basic closet space, 3 rooms. You got your life preservers up top. Well, I meant 3 closets. Second closet hanging. Again, I'm in the room by myself. Didn't need a whole lot of closet space. Basic, just closet. Nice little closet space. You got your dryer right here. Hair dryer. Just 3 drawers. Nothing special. Just 3 drawers. A chair if you want to sit down. Do your makeup. Whatever. Got your phone. I brought my little extension cord from the Dollar Tree. Just my little junk laying around. If you seen my video on how to get lit, I'm on my second bottle. Bought my pineapple juice instead of soda to chase it with. I asked for ice, so twice a day they make sure my ice bucket is full of ice. Everybody know, do not drink that water. That's the $4 water. Now, if you're a returning member, if you're still on the red card, I got my free bottle of water right here. Yes, we had a refrigerator in this. The sensation last year, we did not have a refrigerator. Of course, that's me. Hi, everybody. Porthole Room, like I said, cheapest room on the ship. These 2 tower animals, the dinosaur and the elephant, I actually did those this morning at the tower folding class. Porthole Room, like I said, you know, nothing huge. I can see outside, see what's going on. I pretty much kept them open the whole time. You can always draw the curtains if that's something you want to do. Nothing over the top. I just liked it. The space in this room. This room was very spacious. This room was very big enough for me. I really enjoyed this room. This was the first time I ever stayed this low on the ship, which was on deck 1. I didn't feel a whole lot of motion, but you do get that little rock at night that'll put you to sleep. So I hope you guys got to see room 1211 Carnival Magic, and I will see y'all guys on my next video. Bye.